Hi, my name is Dr. Sam Roberts and I'm an All-on-4 Plus premium provider on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. The great thing about the All-on-4 Plus premium provider network is I am surrounded by passionate dentists that I can share knowledge with to improve the outcomes for our patients. We have the expertise coaching of Dr. Alex Fibashenko, who can take on any sort of challenge of a difficult case for patients. So we can provide that care in areas like the Sunshine Coast that probably were only really available in areas like Melbourne or Sydney. Patients now don't have to travel these great distances to get the care for the really challenging cases.